Good afternoon, it's 12:35 or so on Sunday, 12th of April 2020, and I'm about to have my first meal of the day. It's a 4-fruit salad. I have the last of my honeydew melon. I've just cut open a red watermelon. I finished my yellow watermelon. In fact, the red watermelon was so huge I couldn't put it into my fridge without cutting it into two. So I cut it yesterday and put it in my fridge. Cut it into two and put it in my fridge. So I've got honeydew, red watermelon. The last of my pineapple, I have a Josephine pineapple, and papaya. Okay. So those are the 4 items. This is my homemade chaat masala, which I've put in this jar. It's not cracked black pepper, although cracked black pepper is one of the ingredients. I have lots of ingredients in there. Primarily it's to boost my antioxidant intake. So the spices which have a lot of antioxidants are cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg, in that order. And then for the taste, traditionally the Indians have put cumin. They've also put asafoetida, paprika or cayenne, some ginger powder, and what else did I put inside? Oh yes, they put a sour thing called amchur, which is dried mango powder. So I can't find dried mango powder, particularly amchur. So I've used an alternative, which is lime flavored powder. Okay, this lime flavored powder is made by Knorr. I suppose it's mostly citric acid, ascorbic acid, and whatever else, and flavoring. So anyway, it's a processed product, but the amount I use is very little. So even if there's negative effects of processed products, it's quite negligible. Okay, then I have my, I hope I have another jar in the fridge. It's running low. It's ground chia seeds and flax seeds. Okay, and here I have a packet of sunflower kernels. It's 35 grams. Okay, this is my first meal of the day, 12:30. In fact, I haven't had a drink either earlier in the day. I haven't been hungry or thirsty. So I don't have to tell you the verdict. It's going to be awesome. Primarily because of this stuff. This stuff takes fruit salads to the next level. So if you haven't tried chaat masala, there's a link in this video how to make your own chaat masala. There are lots of recipes. Actually, you don't have to be too prescriptive about it. You can experiment, put what you like and what you don't like. The important thing is to have cinnamon. In the right order: cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg, because those are high in antioxidants. You can also put things like mint flakes, and I've also put what else did I put? Was at the tip of my tongue just now, and then I forgot. Oh yes, cardamoms. Okay, cardamoms and cloves are such a killer combination. The cardamoms may or may not have nutritional value, but it does mask the unpleasant taste of nutmeg. Particularly is very strong and can be unpleasant in large amounts. So cardamoms and cloves, it's a killer combination. It works so well together. Cardamoms are not traditionally used in chaat masala in Indian cuisine. That's my own invention there, innovation. Okay, so I'm going to enjoy my lunch today. It's a 4-fruit salad of red watermelon, honeydew melon, papaya, and pineapple.